and embark on an awe-inspiring visual journey through the coastal wonders of
where the magic of the Arabian Sea meets the innovation of drone cinematography. In this cinematic masterpiece, we unveil the pristine beaches of Gwadar, where golden sands meet the rolling waves in a harmonious dance. Ormara's secluded coves, framed by majestic cliffs, come to life in unprecedented detail as the drone camera soars overhead, revealing hidden nuances of this coastal gem. Recording these breathtaking landscapes with drone cameras isn't just about showcasing the beauty, it's about providing a unique perspective that elevates the viewer's experience. The ability to effortlessly glide above the terrain allows for a comprehensive exploration of the coastal topography, capturing the essence of Baluchistan's diverse geography. The warm hues of Malir sands, meeting the turquoise embrace of the Arabian Sea, are vividly portrayed from the bird's eye view, offering a profound appreciation for the delicate balance between land and water. Meanwhile, the secluded shores of Posny unfold beneath the drone's lens, emphasizing the importance of preserving these natural sanctuaries. Beyond the sheer visual spectacle, the drone camera becomes a tool for environmental awareness and conservation. By documenting these coastal landscapes in intricate detail, we raise awareness about them